Morning to you also. And the topic for the presentation is syllable boundary process and phonetic length of segments in Chamling. Uh, Introductions. The study in relation to the topic syllable boundary process and phonetic length of segments in Chamling with except the common syllable structure ever 1997, right 2012, not studied previously, is carried out based on the syllable-based generalization and phonetic correlates in the language. First, the existence of the syllable, that is speaker intuition, and the phonological process that derives from the composition of the syllable on the ground of the experimental process is focused. Then the length of segments in spectrogram is observed and analyzed for the presentation. Finally, the summary and conclusion is drawn from the analysis and presentation. Methodology, experimentation. The words collected from the speakers were distributed in the following way. There are 6 informant speakers. They have been divided in terms of syllable structures: B, BC, CB, CBC, CCB, CCB, CC. Out of them, Chamling has CB structure nearly 48%, CBC nearly 30%, CCB nearly 11%, BC 8%, and CCBCC nearly 5%, and B 0.5%. In order to study the length of segments under Chamling syllable structure, the condition and context, that is the segments between the same low vowel A, were experimented for the analysis and explanation. The closed vowel I is measured in the ka in and na in the context respectively. The vowel E and O are observed in pa and ka environments, whereas the glides ya and wo in low vowel environment. 6 vowel, 2 front vowels E and A, and 2 back vowels U and O. Another O back vowels and low central vowel A. 29 consonants, and all the plosive sounds have their aspirated counterparts. Fricatives, alveolar sa, glottal ha, affricates have aspirated sound cha, cha, ja, ja, and nasals, all of the nasals, bilabial, alveolar, and velar has aspirated counterparts. Similarly, liquid, ta and la also have aspirated counterparts. Corpus of the word: non-geminates, geminates, aka, aka, lama, lama, asa, asa, daba, dabya, para, sarwa, para, chala, raja, bear, media, ka, kaki, na, nana, pipa, daya. Corpus of the words produced by the speakers. The words with the great segments for the acoustic analysis were included in the career phrase kanga aka rungunga, that is I said or I express och. Each of the words spoken for 3 tokens. The recorded sounds were computed individually in the spectrogram to find out the length in milliseconds, and then average calculation were observed using the Excel program. Lama and lama, geminate and non-geminate. S1 first speaker, S2 second speaker, S3 third speaker. And average lama has 71 millisecond. Lama has 178 millisecond. Individual and average measurements of lama to harvest or lama to search. And in the spectrogram, presentation in the spectrogram, lama 0.053, lama 0.154. Syllable boundary process. There are 6 possible syllable structures in Chamling. The most common structure are CB and CBC, which can be observed in table 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and figure 2. E, Ik, P, Dung, Kli, Klungs. Three diagrams, presentation three diagrams. Shibi, day, what, dung, year, open and close syllables. The open syllables can be filled by basic vowels or vowel sequences as shown in table 7. In the closed syllable, the coda position can be established by unaspirated plosives, nasal and liquids as indicated in table 8. The nasal occur more frequently in the final position, especially the voice valuable nasal mo or ngo. We can see in the table. Table 7, table 8, table 9. Consonants in one set and coda position. All consonants, that is Austrian and sonorant, except the glides, wo and ya, seem to occur at the coda position in the CBC structure. Additionally, the consonant with nasal and liquids are found to be frequently the coda positions. Evidence for the confirmation can be observed in table 9, 10, 11, and 12. The examples show that the mo occurs with the vowels a, u, o, e. The ra occurs with a, u, o, e. The no with e, a. The ko with a, e. The la occurs with a, u, and the ngo, bo, to, and fo with the vowels u, a, e, and o respectively. In the three diagrams, CBC Kung, CB Kli, CC BCC Klungs, and CBC CC BC Galdep, physical deformations. CC BC CB CBC Kherpalung Memorial, and syllabic CC BC Mkim, his or her house. Monosyllabic A, B, and C, disyllabic D, trisyllabic E, and syllabic F. The word structure in Chamling, there are different types of structure, such as monosyllabic, disyllabic, trisyllabic, etc. in the language. Polysyllabic words occur sparsely in the language. Monosyllabic word exhibits the structure shown in table 9. The observation shows that basic structure, that is CB and CBC, occur most frequently in the Chamling monosyllabic word. Ik, want, ka, la, language, so, who, me, fire, chu, hand, bu, a kind of clay pot, pin, also, dung, ear, sam, song, nim, net, him, house, ngun, nung, na, name, lamp, path, room, salt, ban, to come, liu, fur, clack, to trade on, hair, piece of log, klungs, to swallow, cha, to send out from, tap, fat, dew, mouth, lamb, tongue, siam, jim, and quay, uvula, and me, and creeper. Disyllable word structure was found to most commonly occurring structure. Syllable structure in table 10 exhibits the common structure CBC in the language. Kungle, Pampia, Tura, Kadip, Swalim, Chingrap, Ikma, Himma, Ira, Timi, Murma, Inam, Iklu, Kumdio, Milab. Trisyllabic word. The words with three syllables also occur profusely in Chamling. Table 11 reveals this syllable structure. Examine for the trisyllabic word in the language. The CBC and CBC are found to be the most common structures in the trisyllabic word. Apsopa, carefully, Charkalam, Jogara, Tiosumsa, Tupako, Kyalavla, Vyabhyatma, Siamnuka, and Siamwikat. There are also polysyllabic words in Chamling. CB and CBC are found to be the most common structure. In the polysyllabic words too, table 12 shows the syllabic structure of the tetrasyllabic, pentasyllabic, or hexasyllabic word. Kyama Karma, Kyan Sheripa, Chep Kelama, Chuma Chuma, Tiama Kyama, Miam Tam Lama, Shusha Muma, Alakhema, Kongkai Masia, Lama Chasungsa, Khadidio Lasi, Itada Tirma, Kiama Huliapa, Sianda Kalimuma, Kama Siama Duka, Krima Saptima, Kopra, Maiturma. In Samling, the syllable begins with a consonant followed by one of the set. Ya, wo, ra, la, as in, for example, pama, to shout, swalim, ladder, krava, crab, plila, speech. The first consonant of this cluster is called the initial consonant, whereas the second one post-initial. The syllable structure of Samling, C, C, B, C, C. Within syllable boundaries, a cluster of rising sonority can be formed by maximum 2 consonants, and across syllable boundaries, a cluster of 3 consonants can be made. Lady Figure 982, Hawk 986. As there is a cluster of 3 consonants in the medial positions, the syllable structure can be reframed again like consonant, 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 vowel, consonant. Then there is a cluster of maximum 4 consonants across the syllable boundary. In Alisian dialect of Chamling, there may be fewer words like a fampa or flampa, bread made of millet or wheat, which is spoken fampa in other dialect. Similarly, words like mrunglama, silver, are used in Ratuncha dialect. The Chamling language permits the consonant to be syllabic, that is to form a syllable itself. The prefix m in words as in Kim, Kim is our house, Toki, chairman, Kama, lead, Mrunglia, silver,
refers to 3 numbers and
Umsula, phonologic order, Mcha is or her child, syllabic in which peak is only the segment in the.
Bhavendraji,
Sir.
5 minutes left.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll try. We find that Chamling words can begin with a vowel with 1 or 2 consonants. The word end with a vowel or with 1 or 2 consonants. No word begin with a more than 2 consonants in Chamling. Sonority of the syllable peak relation across the syllable. Chamling peak of the syllabicity coincide with the peaks of sonority. The sonority of the possible phonological segments rises from a squint until the sonority of peak coincide with the syllable peak of the vowel. Then it suddenly falls if it is a close syllable to at least the sonority of a liquid as glides in Chamling does not close a syllable. Consonant, want any consonant. Y, consonant 2, liquid, consonant 3, semi-vowel, B vowel, and C4, any consonant X. Phonetic length of segment Chamling. Vowel length feature of the following stop. In Chamling, vowel that precede voiceless consonant are shorter than those before voice consonant. The voice final consonant vowel length. Our data confirm to the observation of all mentioned above based on the correlation between the feature of the stops and length of preceding vowels in Chamling have been identified in table 14. Here, Kaki, 121 millisecond length, Gaga 154, Tata 123, Dada 170, Gaga 114, Babi 152, total 567, total 768 now voice sounds. And in the spectrograms, presented in the spectrogram, vowel suite with the stops or fricatives. Vowels before stops are shorter than those before fricative, and it corresponds with our data. In the table, we can see, and the spectrogram present in the spectrogram, vowels before all stop or versus nasal stops. A vowel before all stops is longer than its before nasal stops, and this claim holds good in Chamling. Length of vowel up have been present in table 15 and figure 8, and we can see in the table oral vowels are longer than nasal. Vowel up before nasal in spectrogram. In her length of the vowels, the average duration of vowels increase with a vocalic openness. We can see longer, and the above table shows that length of the vowel is inversely proportional to the vowel height. So inversely proportional. Why the length of vowel is longer than that of high vowel is that it needs more effort to open the jaw for the production of low vowels as I in the context of a consonant. Vowels before the oral consonant in spectrogram. Length of the open and closed syllable. The length of vowel in open syllable is more than the length of vowel in closed syllable. And open syllable 335 and closed syllable 155. Length of oral and nasalized vowels. And nasalized vowels are longer than the oral vowels in the table. Structure F1, F2, F3 of the
Bhavendra ji, 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Length of glides versus geminates are longer than non-geminates. And in the spectrogram. And the summary and conclusion. The basic vowel structure in Samling is ABC, and the syllables are composed minimally of single vowel B and minimally of two consonant onset, one vowel nuclei and two consonant kura CC B CC. No word begin with a more than two consonants. The three consonant cluster occur in the inhale position. There is syllabic nasal mo in Samling. The nasal occur more frequently in the word final position, especially the voice valuable nasal mo or ngo. All consonant that is obstruent to sonorant except the glides wo and a seem to occur at the kura position in the CBC. The CB and CBC are found to be most common structures in the syllabic structure. And the syllable begins with any consonant Samling. The post consonant wo and ya and continues lo and ra constitute the consonant cluster in order initial position. The cluster may also involve other consonants, plosive, nasals, fricative, affricates, etc. in order internally. A cluster of maximum two consonants within syllable boundary and cluster of maximum three consonants across boundary have been established in Samling. I have already finished explaining all these things. So that's the end of the presentation. Thank you, sir.
Bhavendra ji, thank you for completing your paper exactly on time.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to request